Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. This is a house, old lady who is ওনার বয়স কত? Around 80 above, 18 above or 90 up. A lady who lives alone in this house. She will show you she doesn't have any incoming source, and this is the house she lives. This is the ceiling. We need this one to fix it. Teen. See, her house is hole on the ceiling. We are collecting money for this. Anyone wants to help us? See. See the ceiling of this old lady. This is the lady. She is the lady. She is the lady, old lady. This is her house. See her house, all ceiling is whole. We are just collecting money for this. Anyone wants to help this old lady? আপনার বয়স কত? আচ্ছা, আপনার কি এখন এখানে কি অসুবিধা এই মুহূর্তে? কি লাগবে? কি অসুবিধা কি?
টিন আর দরজা হইলে উনি বাঁচতে পারে, অনেক ঠান্ডা
অবস্থা দিয়ে হলো শান্তি।
We need the tin, this one. We need to shade. We need a shade, ceiling shade for this old lady, like a grandma. She's nearly 90 years. She doesn't have any son, no husband. She living alone in this house. Her house, this is her broken ceiling. We are collecting money for these shades. Anyone wants to help this old lady? See, this is her bedrooms. This is the bedroom she lives. She lives, and the ceilings. You see the hole in the ceilings. And she doesn't have any money. She doesn't have any money to fix her doors. So if anyone wants to donate to fix the ceiling for this old lady, will be grateful in the eyes of Allah. We just purchased this shade. Just purchased this one. I think. Hey, কয়টা টিন কিনছেন? They purchased 12 of it. So now this is the two. They're gonna repair it now. They're cleaning it on the top. See, they started. They're gonna first clean up and then they put the new shed in, inshallah.
এই যে ফারুক,
And then they're gonna put this one, inshallah. We're just putting the new shed now, just to keep you updated. See, this is all we're gonna replace it, inshallah. See, now we just started this one. He just put it now with that new shade. We bought it. He just said our shade is outside. This shade is here, and we just put it one now, and we're gonna do inside slowly, inshallah. They're working on the roof. This is the updated for you who donated. Alhamdulillah. They are removing the, see, they are removing the ceiling. See, they're putting new ceiling now, slowly. Alhamdulillah. Can you believe it? They're doing, mashallah, very quick. Brand new roof ceiling. Shade, it's called shade. So, inshallah, we're going to see some changes, inshallah. And this old lady will. They're working this house now. They're doing the.
বুঝলি না এই দেখো ভিতরে আজকে ভিতরে ছবি তো
Okay, we repaired the ceiling. See the ceiling we repaired. And see the repaired.
ওগুলো সব আটকানো
ওই যে ওখান দিয়ে দেখো
See. Already Alhamdulillah. কিছু বলেন, আপনি কি খুশি না আপনি খুশি না?
আমি খুশি না, আমি খুশি আসমানে জমিনে। আপনি জানি খবর উনি আমার একটা বাচ্চা হয় পোলা, আমি জানি
আপনি দোয়া করেন, খালি
দোয়া করেন যারা এটা টাকা সাহায্য করছে।
বাবা আমি আসমানে জমিনে খুশি।
আচ্ছা,
আমার একটা পুত নেই, একটা ভাই নেই, একটা কিছু নেই।
ঠিক আছে।
আমার